Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two popular tools, FlutterFlow and Flutter. Let's get started. First up is FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is a visual development platform built on top of Flutter, making it super beginner friendly. If you're someone who wants to create mobile apps without diving deep into coding, FlutterFlow is for you. It offers a drag and drop interface, allowing you to visually design your app and see the changes in real time. It's great for prototyping, speeding up the development process, and building apps without needing advanced coding skills. However, since FlutterFlow abstracts much of the coding, you might feel limited when you need more customization or complex functionality. Next, we have Flutter itself. Flutter is a powerful, open source framework from Google that allows developers to build natively compiled apps from a single code base. If you have experience with programming and want complete control over your app's design and performance, Flutter is the way to go. With Flutter, you can build highly customized apps that run smoothly on both iOS and Android. The only catch is you need to be more comfortable with coding, especially in Dart, the language Flutter uses. So which is better? If you're a beginner or someone who wants to build apps quickly without diving into code, Flutterflow is a great choice. But if you're looking for full customization, better performance, and more control over your app's code, Flutter is also the more better choice.